Is there a secret formula to build a B2B business that can generate multi-million dollars in revenue? In the last 6 years, I built 6 businesses doing more than $47 million in total. In parallel, I also sold one business after growing it to $600,000 in annual recurring revenue in just 18 months. I also acquired several businesses for multi-million dollar deals, and in 2021, I also cashed out $30 million personally. And now I'm growing a business that's valued at more than $150 million and doing more than $20 million in annual recurring revenue. All of that while being entirely bootstrapped and profitable. So you're probably wondering whether or not you need tons of money to get started. The reality is in 2018, my girlfriend was paying the rent. I only had $1,000 and I decided to put that money directly in my startup. And from that moment on, I decided to document everything I was doing in public from day one. Sweat, blood, trial and error, rejections, emotional roller coaster, and tons of failures along the way. But all of that would not have been possible if I had not had people to help me out along the way. So now I feel like it's my time to give back. First, because I love to help people out. In the last 6 years, I've helped thousands of founders all over the world to launch and grow their companies, and there's no better feeling than to be helpful.
Because I found Lemlist, I ended up starting this business because Lemlist proved to me that it was easy and attainable to get new clients with outreach.
So I've been in agency for 10 years. Almost every single client that I've signed come from the Lemlist outreach.
I've just digested all the free information that you've put out and all the value you've put out online. What's unique, it's really helping kind of change my business in a direction that I see very positive for results.
Implementing all of the things that I've learned, I've been able to close probably 5 or 6 deals.
Probably the highest quality course I've ever had so far.
Definitely recommend it to others. I mean, obviously, I don't want my competitors to have it, but I would recommend it just to people in different fields just because, I mean, it works.
And secondly, because I'm sick of all the fake-ass gurus out there who are selling you courses on how to build a successful business when they've never been able to do that themselves. They've been selling you a dream that you'll never reach because the only way they found to actually make money is to sell you a course on how to make money. That's what I personally call a pyramid scheme. So in this course, I want to share with you all the secrets and lessons I learned in the last 6 years. No bullshit and useless business plan, only practical stuff that you'll be able to use straight away. You'll be able to steal all my frameworks and templates as each course will have a dedicated Notion space. And before I dive deep into what I'll share with you and how I'll do it, you're probably wondering what's the catch here and why am I doing this for free? First, it's not gonna be entirely free. You see, all the software we built or acquired in the last 6 years always came from a need I had to grow my business. So in this course, there will be times where I'll be sharing how I'm personally using the different tools we built to get more customers and grow faster. And because I'm convinced of the value I'll deliver, my assumption is that some of you will become paying customers down the line or will become advocates of our solutions. And if you don't and prefer using a competitor for some reason, well, at least you'll remember me as the person who's helped you build, grow, and scale your business faster. So either way, it's a win for me. Now, let's get back to business. This course will be divided into 17 sections. Number 1 will be about how to find $1 million idea and why ideas actually matter a lot. Number 2 will be about starting in a niche, how to find it so you can make money as fast as possible. Number 3 will be about interviewing potential customers so you will create something people truly want. Number 4 will be about finding a co-founder or not. Number 5 will be about building an MVP or a minimal viable product. Number 6 will be about finding the right price to close more deals. Number 7 will be about creating an offer so people will beg you to accept their money. Number 8 will be about choosing the right funnel to close deals on autopilot. Number 9 to 17, well, you'll have to subscribe to the channel to know what topics I will discuss to help you build and grow a multi-million-dollar business without any BS and giving you practical templates that you can steal. See you on the other side. Peace, love, and profit.